Hi guys, hello everyone! So during our today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to paint very cute and simple cactuses. So first of all we need to create a new layer that is above all our texture papers. By the way, for this painting, for this tutorial, I'm gonna use my third watercolor brush set for Procreate. And in this watercolor brush set I actually have two different texture papers. You see, like this one. The first texture paper is very saturated, so keep in mind, depending on the style that you like, you can choose different texture papers. This one is light and I'm gonna use second texture paper for this class. So I created new layer. I will go to the sketching set and I will grab 6B pencil. So just play around, recall in your memory different succulents, different cactuses that you like, and just paint them. And if you like, later you can just increase the size. Well, cool. We've done with the second one. If you like, once again, you can go and increase the size. And I need to be on a layer that is underneath our texture paper layer. And I will go to my third painting set and I will go and grab Blue Textured Watercolor brush, one of my favorites. And if you overlap with the colors, just go to Blue Simple Blender Watercolor brush from same set and just blend some hard edges. And my suggestion to lower the opacity of your sketch layer. Like this. Cool, now let's go to the ground and I'm gonna go and add some colors. Some sharp edges, and don't worry, it's now just very transparent, but later I will make it more saturated, so just wait for a while. So next step, and this is our next amazing, I like this cactus, and I need to create a new layer in case I want to move them or something like that. And this green color will be slightly like bluish. Great, now pot, I think red color would be suitable. Now white color, just grab an eraser and erase. As an eraser I'm using inking brush Inka. Think about color. very, very light blue. Well, perfect. Now let's start adding shades. And first of all, let's just blend together. As you see, now it's pretty saturated. I'm gonna show you here, duplicate. Yeah, and we made it very saturated. Same with the first one, yep. And merge together layers. So we have now three different separate layers, and they are pretty saturated. And we need to be on a new layer because later I want to control the opacity. So now what we can do, we just go and lower the opacity of our line layer. You see, now it's pretty light, and I like it. Now speaking about shades, we can go and grab my other brush. This is True Watercolor brush that can help us to add some shades. Once again, we need to be on a new layer because I want to control the opacity. Blending tool. Okay, I will just change it slightly. I will draw new lines. So speaking about new lines, what I'm gonna do, I will just go and grab Blue Sharp Watercolor brush, create a new layer. You actually could choose this one for adding lines or blue cactus, but I prefer that one because this one is suitable. And you can paint like all those cactuses easily. Okay, cool. Now we shouldn't forget about dots. So we need to go and grab like dark green color. I like it. You can lower the opacity a little bit, you can keep it that way. I'll just lower it to 88%. I like it. I will create a new layer and I need to add some dots. Okay, cool. Now we go and grab another brush, and for this time I'm gonna go and grab Blue Cactus Watercolor brush because it's pretty saturated. Well, we've done with this one, and we have we also need to add some shades. Keep that in mind, I told you about it. And now I want to merge together all our shades, this one, and let's return to each cactus and keep adding shades. Selection tool, press freehand, add, and let's grab this area. Layer, lower the brightness, increase saturation. Yeah, now as you see, I like it. It's very cool. One more thing that I want to make is I will go and I like it, it's very saturated. I want to lower the opacity slightly. Now cool, I will duplicate it. And now I want to make our lower layer, this one, I want to make it white. Because I want to keep adding some shades, and for that I need to make it like not transparent. Okay, cool. Now let's merge that together. So what does it mean? You see guys, if I turn off our background color, you see our cactus is not transparent. Yeah, those dots are transparent because they are white and I erase them, but the rest is not transparent. That's what I was trying to do. Cool. A feather. I want to feather that slightly. Hue, saturation, brightness. Now lower the brightness, and you see now it's way more easier to do. Okay, now I think it's time to turn off our sketch layer, and that's it. Guys, we have our cactuses. They are very lovely, very nice, and now you know how to paint cute cactuses in a watercolor style. And guys, I have two different texture papers I'm gonna show you now. So this one is less saturated, but if you turn off the other one, as you might see, this cactus, the colors are slightly different, and cactuses are so saturated now. I prefer the other texture, it's pretty light, and you can play around if you have my brush set with texture paper. And also guys, I will try to create more interesting topic for you next time. If you like my channel, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other next time. Bye bye!